All right, this is unit number 6 at the Pine Lakes Jellystone Park in Pittsfield. And this is our tiny house that we stayed in this weekend. As you can see, it's got a nice fire pit area down here below. You've also got your grill, nice picnic table, and a wonderful view, plus the screened-in porch, which was really nice. Now, there's, I believe, 7 or 8 of these tiny houses along the water that's right here. And if you notice, most of your activities are across the lake over on the other side, as far as, you know, the swimming pool and some of the park and things like that. But you can rent a golf cart here, and the prices are pretty minimal. So I encourage it if you're going to be doing that. You can also drive if you want to go visit those areas, which is pretty easy to get to. So again, here's the outside view, and we're getting ready to go in. All right, let's go take a tour of the tiny house. This is unit number 6 at Jellystone in Pittsfield. You can see that there's a nice picnic table out here, and it's got plenty of space, you know, for your coolers or something. There is power. We're gonna go ahead and go. You'll see that there is no smoking out on this back patio. Inside, you're gonna have your little TV and dinner table area. Over here, there's some seating, and it's rather comfortable. It's not too bad. I would say you could sleep on it, but probably better for a teenager or a kid. A couple benches to sit up at the bar, and there is a fully equipped kitchen. It has all of your things, your dishes, and you know, your plates, glasses, bowls. So a lot of that stuff you don't have to bring. And coffee mugs, coffee maker, toaster, and here it's got some more of the pots and pans. If you are going to be planning on making coffee, let's see, it is one of these, so you're going to have to bring those type of coffee filters. And we have a full stove and the microwave, as well as a full fridge. So it would be just like your normal home. Now we're gonna go into the bunk area. There's 2 twin bunks right here. So we're seeing sleeping of 3 at the moment. And we'll go into here, and you'll see this is where the queen size bed is. So now we're seeing sleeping of 5, and it's nice. They've thought of everything. They have, you know, the power outlets on both sides of the bed for charging your devices, and some lamps that are overhead. So if you want to turn off these main lights that are right here, you could still have your reading lights. Full bathroom. And it's a little tight, but it's really not that bad. Our family of 4 was very comfortable in here. The shower height's a little low, but not too terrible. I think this is probably a 7-foot ceiling, so if you're taller, just realize you're gonna have to squat when you shower. So we're gonna turn around, and we're gonna head upstairs to the loft area. So we're currently at sleeping 5, but if you see up here, there's 2 full bed that are up here that you can put sleeping bags on, or sheets. And so we could technically sleep many more. Plus there's all this area that's right here. You could bring your own air mattress or cots even. Now the ceiling's a little low. This is definitely designed for children. You need to be careful not to hit your head. You cannot stand up. I would say that the height is probably somewhere right around maybe 3.5 feet. So that's something to consider. If you're going to be an adult that's up here, you're going to be on your knees when you crawl to the bed. But again, those are pretty comfortable. Nothing to worry about up here. You have an overlooking area down in the living room. The balusters do go from the floor to ceiling, so you don't have to worry about your little ones. Now, the stairs that we're on are a little steep, but not terrible. I would say that if you've got a good walker, anywhere from 3 to 4 years of age would have no problem getting up these stairs. So that's pretty much it with the tour of the tiny house at Pine Lakes in Pittsfield. And like I said, this is unit number 6. Thanks for watching. Hope you come and stay.